So, you want to make actual money as a teenager, but you think starting a business costs way too much. Today, I'm breaking down 6 businesses you can start for $50 or less. These ideas are perfect for teens and young adults. So, whether you've got $50 or no money at all, you'll have something to try by the end of this video. Let's get into it. First up, Printify dropshipping. Ever wanted to sell your own t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs without needing to keep inventory? Printify has got you covered. Here's how it works. Use free tools like Canva to design simple graphics, quotes, memes, or trendy designs. Upload your designs to Printify and connect it to an online store like Etsy, Shopify, or even a free Printify pop-up store. When someone orders, Printify handles the printing and shipping for you. Here is the budget breakdown. $0 to start designing and uploading products. If you sell on Etsy, you'll spend about 20 cents per listing. Use the rest of your budget for social media ads to promote your store. The best part, you can scale this easily once you get your first sales. Next up, YouTube or TikTok. Yep, content creation isn't just fun, it's a real business. Here's how you start. Pick a niche you're passionate about. Gaming, fitness, vlogs, or even these money-making ideas. Start filming with what you already have, your phone. Then you build an audience, monetize with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Here is the budget breakdown. $0 if you already have a phone and Wi-Fi. Spend $20, $30 on lighting or basic editing tools if you want to upgrade. Consistency is key. And the best part, you'll build skills in video editing and marketing along the way. Third on the list, start a blog and make money through ads. This one is perfect if you love writing. Here's how you start. Use free platforms like Blogger or WordPress to set up your blog. Next, pick a topic you know, like fashion, fitness, or personal finance. As your traffic grows, sign up for Google AdSense to place ads on your blog or promote affiliate products. Budget breakdown. $0 for free blogging platforms. If you want a custom domain like yourname.com, you'll spend about $15, $20 for the year. Blogs take time to grow, but once you've got traffic, it's basically passive income. Fourth idea, offer custom digital services like logos, banners, or social media templates. Here's what you do. Use free tools like Canva to create professional-looking designs. Promote your services on platforms like Fiverr, Instagram, or TikTok. Start with small projects like YouTube channel banners or Instagram highlight covers. Budget breakdown. $0 for Canva or free design tools. Use $10, $20 to boost your posts on Instagram or TikTok for visibility. You don't need to be a pro. Focus on trending, simple designs that people love. Fifth idea, reselling items online. This is super simple. Visit thrift stores, clearance sales, or even your own closet to find items to sell. Platforms like eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace make it easy to list and ship. Look for trendy clothes, retro items, or limited edition finds that people are searching for. Budget breakdown. $30 to buy items from thrift stores or garage sales. $20 for shipping costs or better product photos. It's all about spotting deals and flipping them for profit. And here's a bonus business idea. Investing in stocks. Yep, you can start building wealth as a teen with just a little money. Here's how you can do it. Use beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity Youth Account, which are perfect for teens. Start with as little as $5 to $10, thanks to fractional shares. Research companies you love. Think Apple, Nike, or even brands you already use daily. Budget breakdown. $50 is plenty to start investing in stocks or ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Many apps also round up your purchases and invest the spare change, making it easy to grow your portfolio over time. Why it's worth it? By starting early, you take advantage of compound interest, which means your money grows faster the longer it's invested. Plus, You'll learn valuable skills about managing money and making smart financial decisions, whichever business you choose. Here are some quick tips to get started. 1. Market yourself on social media. It's free and gets you noticed. 2. Start small but think big. Even $10 can be the start of something huge. 3. Use free resources. Many schools offer tools like Adobe Creative Cloud or Canva Pro for free. Take advantage of them. 4. If you go the investing route, start with apps that let you learn as you earn, like Robinhood or Acorns. So, which of these 5 businesses are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Let's go make some money.